Alright guys, hope you guys are having a great day today. Actually, hope you guys had a great day today, since it's already nighttime. Well, wherever you live, probably might be morning, evening, wherever your time is right now. Alright, so, there's something I want to tell you. So, I'm playing my guitar, and apparently whenever listen, when I do this, you hear like a weird humming noise, like, listen. That. Doesn't mean there's some weird static noises. It's like a low F sharp almost. I don't know if you can guys can hear it. Yeah, so today I tried to play that one song by Spirit Box called, I think it's called The Beauty of Suffering. Yeah, I think it's called The Beauty of Suffering. That song was freaking badass, dude. And if you have not heard that song, go listen to that song, because that song is it's a freaking badass song. Freaking amazing song. Beauty of Suffering by Spirit Box. It's a freaking amazing song. I love it. Hang on a second. Also, yes, I keep my guitar in standard. I always keep it in standard because I'm just so afraid to tune my guitar. Like, it's... The reason I'm really afraid to tune is because of the string might snap. Yeah. Also, guys, tell me if this is chugging. That chugging? I don't know. I don't know if that's chugging, but I don't even know. What is that weird humming noise coming from my amp? What the fuck? I feel like a cold air coming out of my amp. What the fuck? I'm feeling like a cold air coming out of my amp. From the knob right here. I'm talking about, thinking like this knob right here, where I'm touching, where my finger's at, like here. I'm feeling like a cold air blowing on my hand. Also, guys, sad thing is that some of you might remember that. Okay, so here's what I want to tell you. So when I first got this pedal about, I don't even know how many weeks ago was that? Last week? I don't know. I don't remember. I'm not accounting. Bad at math as well. So when I got this pedal, it didn't work on my previous amp, which was my Roland amp, which is a keyboard amp. But then one time, it actually worked on my amplifier on my new one. But now it doesn't work. Like, what the fuck? Sorry for the cussing, though. Little kids, if you're watching this video, don't watch this. Nah, I'm joking. I mean, if it has cuss words, then it's probably not family friendly, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get out a different guitar for a second. I'm gonna see. Get out a different guitar and see. I'm gonna use my red one. Alright, let's see here. Let's see. I might have a sound difference, but let's see. Alright guys, sound comparison. Which one sounds better? 6 string or the 7 string? Alright. Alright, what? Jesus Christ, this guitar is fucking heavy. Actually, I'm gonna be playing on my 6th string now. Alright, guys. Wait, hang on, let me turn off that noise. I hate that noise. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.